What's up? It's your boy Slade back at it again, and today I'm doing a little more of a vlog style, and we're gonna go look at what my dad is doing to his 99 convertible Mustang. Let's go. All right, we are walking in now. My dad's been out here for a while, so let's go see. What you working on?
Replace my intake manifold.
Sounds
Water
fun.
pump, spark plugs, coolant reservoir. Got a bunch of goodies from LMR. Figuring out that I got one motorcraft plug and a bunch of auto light plugs. So I don't know why somebody would put one motorcraft in here.
That's a little odd.
Car in our family for 11 years, so it doesn't really make sense. We didn't do it, but it also has a aftermarket cheap intake manifold that I think is the reason it was leaking to begin with. So I'm gonna put that on and hopefully fix my issue. If not, I've got a blown head gasket.
Yeah, that's not fun.
No, but if it is this, then I'm gonna be pretty pumped because I hadn't driven this car probably 2 months.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Ever since we got the lift.
Yeah.
We got the lift, found out we had a leak. So the car's never even been off the lift.
Yeah, it's been up here for a while. Aired out.
Aired out. It is aired out. Show them how low it is.
So what part of this car sits on the ground?
The K member.
K-member touches the ground?
It's maybe an 1/8 to 1/4 inch off the ground.
Yeah, so pretty much
Almost touching.
as low as we can get it.
Yeah, I could put a drop spindle on and get a little bit more low, but I wouldn't have as much up travel. So it'd be really, really low even when it was aired all the way up.
So then it would be like almost driving a static car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But my rear diff touches the floorboard.
Which is crazy.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, hopefully I can get it put back together. We got a busy schedule the next couple weeks, so I don't get much time to work on it.
What is the first show you want to take it to, hopefully?
I'm hoping to go to Cars and Coffee in Nashville on July 4th. And if I make it there, the next show will be Import Alliance at the end of July. Even though it's not an import, but still a good show to take it to.
Yeah, Import Alliance is a good show for even not imports, but more of this style.
Yeah, this style is definitely more welcomed in the import scene than it is the domestic scene.
What's up? It's the second day. I'm out here right now riding my bike, and we're about to go see what all my dad has done since yesterday. So I'm gonna loop around and let's go see. What's up?
What's up?
So since yesterday's entry, what all have you done?
I worked on getting a bolt out for an hour just now. I actually had one more extension in there. There's the heater hose, or heater tube. That's right here. There's a bolt on the very back of that bracket because I was replacing the O-rings. Little preventative maintenance, so that I can do it one time instead of 2 times. Water pump's installed. It's torqued down. We are getting ready to put the new intake manifold on.
So close.
Closer than we were yesterday. Do you want to see how low it is?
Yeah,
raise it up.
Let's raise the lift up here and we'll see the underside of it.
Alright. So let me get the flashlight so we can see. Alright, so you can see the bottom of the K-member. That was from when it was lowered. But if you come back over here and point that way, you can tell how high the K-member is in comparison to the runner. So it actually sits the K-member on the ground. And then you can see the old exhaust. It needs some love. And if you look, well, look at that. You can see part of the air rod right there.
There's a bag.
There's another bag.
2 bags.
Yeah. Those are custom mounts that we did. And if you look right on top of here, the top of the diff is actually on the trunk floor.
Yeah, so you would have to cut into the trunk
To make it go any lower.
Yes, and roll the fenders. In
Yeah.
theory.
Yeah. You can see where I redid the brakes and painted everything, but it rained on it and ponies and the smokies.
Yeah.
You can see the nasty old welds that somebody did.
Yeah, the exhaust does need a little bit of love, but
Yeah. And this or that.
what is that?
That's the exhaust hanger that's broken off.
Ah, so it's supposed to do
Well, they had it up here, but
to
you can tell it doesn't reach, so they had it in a bind to begin with, which is what made it break. And then this one,
yeah, it's on the
that one is about to break. So hopefully
this side looks pretty good
that's
though.
next on the
The
list.
yeah, the upgrade list.
Yeah, he's
And you just got a new
yeah, I can see it. Can you see it right there?
yeah, the new diffuser, rear diffuser.
Carter's Custom.
Yeah. Which was pretty easy to install.
It was pretty easy. Could have been much easier if I had the lift when we did it.
Yeah, we did not have the lift yet, so we just had the Mustang jacked up, and we're working on it from the underneath.
You can see from this angle that the tire barely, the fender just barely sits on the tire right there. But it's not really on it. It's on the
edge.
Well, it's on the. It's sitting on the body of the car.
Yeah.
So there's got pressure on the tires.
So this one was the
Old Chinese one.
from Amazon.
Yeah,
What do you think?
Yeah, we didn't put it on.
And it lasted about, what would you
At
say?
least 11 years, because that's how long the car's been in our family.
Which is not bad for a Chinese one.
Yeah. The only reason I say it's Chinese is the brand on Amazon is literally some sort of Chinese brand.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm getting ready to put the new thermostat in, and I went and had the coolant, the thermostat housing. I had it powder.
Yeah, so you powder coated it black, correct? Or what color?
Satin black.
Oh, satin black, yeah. Just so it'll,
Old and nasty.
yeah,
So it wasn't gonna look good up against
the new stuff.
yeah.
Yeah. Got the Bronco chilling right there behind the lift. Yeah.
That will look much better than the old one.
So today is the final day and my dad is wrapping up, reinstalling everything back into the Mustang. Can you tell them what you were just telling me about how you remember where everything plugs back in?
So I don't always, as I'm laying everything back in, I don't always go, oh, I know exactly where it goes. But a lot of this stuff, especially on an older vehicle, has a little bit of memory. So like a harness is going to kind of go back to where it was, where it's been laying for so many years. So I was showing him these little vacuum lines, how when you lay it across the top of the engine, they find out where they go. So it takes all the guesswork out of, remembering where every single piece is. And like this harness here, and Slade noticed that plug was laying there and knew that it went up here because of the way it, the harness was kind of keeping the wire and the plug elevated. So we're getting pretty close to putting on the cold air, and I think I'm gonna put just water in it and flush out this old nasty cooling system, because I've got my nice new reservoir, so I don't want it to look crusty like the old reservoir. So
yeah, definitely.
Yeah, we'll put the intake on, and I think we're ready to fill the cooling system.
So my dad is starting it for the first time. Sounds pretty good. That's gonna be a wrap. He got it all back together, and we're gonna be cruising in the convertible again. See y'all in the next one. Peace.